So since the price of Bitcoin is doing pretty much exactly like what we have talked since days now, what to expect next? Because today in this video, I am going to show you one twist which could be fooling most of us. Why I'm actually saying you this? Because right now we are well aware the price of Bitcoin has broken the resistance. This one very important line of resistance around 40 to 41,000 range, and we are hovering around this 42,000 price area. But is this a confirmation now that we are going to see this dead cat bounce type of scenario where the price of Bitcoin is going to retrace at least towards this 0.5 to 0.618 Fibonacci line before choosing an actual trend direction? Because we are well aware, according to the dead cat bounce scenario, as you can see here, whenever the price of Bitcoin starts this new rally here to the upside after this price retracement, this is how actually it's going to look like. First, stock price going up, right? Then we will witness this steep low, and after this steep low there is going to be this slow-lived recovery phase which is known as a dead cat bounce. And if you want to look exactly what is going to happen here around this dead cat bounce, then no problem, I also have a picture which is pointing out what I'm actually trying to pinpoint here. Because in our case, right, if this here is going to be more of a dead cat bounce scenario, then we are aware this here is our point A, right? This is the point B area where we are going to see this dead cat bounce happening, and around this 0.5 to 0.618 is going to be our point C area. You can see in the stock market, it's going to be a retracement around 50%, but as I've already said you, crypto is a bit volatile. That's why we are also expecting this 0.618 around this area. It's going to be point C. If this is actually going to play out as a dead cat bounce, then even though, right, dead cat bounce is looked as a bearish scenario, we could be seeing this retracement at least towards this 50 to 55,000 range, between that range, before price chooses an actual trend direction here in this manner. So that's why we are going to look at this price structure very carefully. And also on my yesterday's video, I included this one very important price structure, because if you go back all the way here from 2013, guys, whenever the price of Bitcoin has shown an actual reversal, and if you use this Fibonacci retracement from this swing high till this swing low, you will see the price retracement and the relief rally that we have seen has always approached around this 0.618 Fibonacci line. After that, we saw an actual trend reversal here in price action of Bitcoin. No problem. If you also look at this one here from 2017 to 2018, bigger price retracement, relief rally, and this relief rally also came around this 0.618 Fibonacci line. Right, you can see here was unable to find support, and after that we saw this actual trend reversal. Again here in 2019, similar scenario happened from this swing high till this swing low area, a dead cat bounce type of movement, right? Relief rally came across this 0.618, could not find proper support, and after that we saw an actual trend reversal. And now if this is going to be a very similar price movement just like here from past Bitcoin price action, indicating that this here is going to be an actual reversal, doesn't matter. First, it has to show us this movement at least towards this 0.5 to 0.618 Fibonacci line, right? A movement in this manner before choosing an actual trend direction. So that was the reason why I'm actually showing you with this dead cat bounce type of scenario, and why the price of Bitcoin could be actually getting gravitated around this 0.5 to 0.618 before choosing a trend direction. But for this month, we are well aware our personal price target is a bit different. Let me show you that here. So before switching into other chart, I want to give you a quick update that we not just only have a Crypto Anup English channel, we also have our Crypto Anup German channel. So for all German speaker, go follow me there. And not just only that, we also have our own Telegram channel. So if you want to communicate with each other, if you want to be part of Crypto Anup family, then the link will be provided in the description down below. And beside that, to all the traders watching this video right now, I have a giveaway around $10,000 at the end of the month to anyone who sign up using my ref link here. Either it's a Bybit or Femex, and deposit at least $300 worth of crypto. Doesn't matter if it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT. If you do that, then at the end of the month, I am going to choose maybe 5 random winner and provide them with $2,000 each, or a 2 random winner, one from Femex, one from Bybit, right, and provide them $5,000 each. So if you want to take advantage of this opportunity, The link is also provided in the description down below. So now let's switch the chart here. So now if you look at this price action in a daily time frame using this descending broadening wedge and also this central pivot range indicator, which is a leading indicator according to this descending broadening wedge. Right now, if you look at this price movement, okay, so if this here is a descending broadening breakout, then you can see the price of Bitcoin according to this descending broadening wedge could be also gravitating around this 50 to 52,000 range, right, according to this descending broadening wedge. But according to the CPI line, the leading indicator for this February month, our first target or a target that we have to reach is this monthly R1 line, and this monthly R1 line is around 46,600 price area. But does this mean now we are going to see this movement in this manner, or is there going to be some sort of a twist? Because that is exactly what I want to show you in today's video, because I personally believe right now there could be some sort of a rejection right around this price range of 43,000 and price of Bitcoin showing this retest around this CPI line and again starting this new move towards this monthly R1 line. This is also one scenario we have to take into consideration, because right now, right, the price of Bitcoin actually looks very, very tricky, and not just only because of this CPI indicator. This retest could be happening around this 40 to 41,000 range, but also guys, also if you look at this price movement using this 50 and 20 exponential moving average, we are well aware in a daily time frame, whenever we have seen this crossover where the 20 exponential moving average has crossed over this 50 exponential moving average, you can see whenever you see this green line at the top, red line which is 50 exponential moving average at the bottom, that usually indicates the trend is ready for this new impulsive movement. You can see whenever we saw this crossover happening where the green line started appearing at the top, red line at the bottom, which is the 50 exponential moving average, we always saw a mark of face or more of a price movement here to the upside. And now in our case, you can see this here is a bearish crossover where the 50 exponential moving average is at top and 20 at the bottom. But now you can see the 50 exponential moving average is acting as a resistance. So that was the reason why I'm actually also expecting maybe there will be some sort of obstacle, price consolidating again around this 41 to 43,000 range, between that range, and then a final breakout here in this manner. Because if we do see this retracement happening here, then we are also aware that we will be retesting the CPI line, right, before again breaking here to the upside. And now guys, now I am going to show you in another way why, if there is going to be any sort of a retracement, then that will make a lot of sense. Because if you look at this price structure here in a 4-hour time frame, this here is a bump and run reversal pattern. Because according to the bump and run reversal pattern, as you can see, the lead phase, the bump phase has already occurred, and now what we are waiting for is this throwback to the trend line. Because if you look at this example here, the throwback is going to be around this falling trend line, which previously acted as a strong line of resistance, right? You can see it plenty of time. And now since we are above it, if we do see any sort of a retracement again around that trend line, then this same line is going to be acting as a support. And after that, I think this rally is going to continue at least towards this monthly R1 line, which is sitting around 46,600 for this February month. But in general, we are actually expecting this dead cat bounce type of scenario before choosing an actual trend direction. So that's why guys, that's why I am keeping it very, very simple, so that everyone with basic knowledge could also understand what I'm actually trying to show you here. So this was a quick update on price action of Bitcoin. If you enjoyed my work, then please hit the like button. And for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button and the bell. So by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye-bye guys.